Oil and NG have both seen the resistance levels. Oil very nearby at 89.2. Remember, these are the levels which we are taking since long. 89.2 definitely is a good resistance, and 6.44 NG. 6.4 precisely achieving it is now trading with a slight drop. Now, what to expect with the throughout this day? Which position we should take? Either we should go for a sell or we should buy from here. We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into US crude followed with NG. And on the hourly charts, you can find out it has given a reversal indication here. Yes, after achieving the highs, it is looking forward to a reversal. There could be a little support here at 88.2 levels and then 70 88 87.9 levels rather, and then below that furthermore bearishness is to be seen. Now see, double top is done. It is looking forward to come back to 87.5. That is my expectation that we may see it hitting 87.5, but only short entry I will recommend is below 88.2. Below that you can expect 87.8 and then 87.5, and if it draws below 87.5, little more bearishness to be seen. So only buy position is today is above 89.2. You can buy at 89.2, you can sell at 88.2. For this $1, do not take any position. It is looking forward to see after forming the double top, it is trying to retrace a little. Look at this, still in this channel, but the highs here are indicating that this is possibly a squeeze, and a breakout below 87.5 certainly should be a very good indication that we may see a little drop. The directional movement is moderately bullish. The stochastic is falling from the highs. Probably we may see a little drop here. The MACD started to diverge. The RSI is looking downwards, indicating little more bearishness. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts too, it is giving a breakout here. Possibly we may see it coming back to 88.2, and below 88.2 you can expect 87.9, 87.8 and then 87.5. See, double top almost is done. 87.5 certainly should be a very good support. Only below 87.5 you can confirm that there is going to be little more bearishness, taking it till towards 87, 86.4 levels, and then 86 levels cannot be denied. The directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD is trying to converge here. Possibly we may see a crossover. The RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, similar is the formation. 89 levels certainly giving it a very strong resistance. So only buy entry is 89.2, only sell entry is 88.2. Below that 87.8, 87.5, and then below that a good drop can be expected. Same levels, same indications across the charts. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is comfortable. And if you look at the MACD, this is trying to converge. It has seen the highs, possibly looking forward to a crossover for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards here too. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts here. See, higher highs, lower lows indicates 88, 87.8 levels certainly should be a good support, and then 87.5. Below that only you can confirm that it is looking forward to 87, 86.4 and 86 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic falling from the highs. It was overbought. Now comfortable. The MACD probably looking forward to converge and crossover for a sell. The RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. See, it has given the reversal indication there after that drop, and then this retracement. So this should be considered a retracement. Lower highs are done. Below 88.2 certainly you can expect a little drop. It can retrace for 87.5, 87, and in fact it can completely erase the previous gain, dropping till towards 86. You have to be cautious there. On the buy side, you can buy there at 89.2. Above 89.2, it is going to give you very strong bullish candle, which might take it till towards 90, 92 levels. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic was oversold, now looking upwards. Now MACD is bearish and it is looking to converge here. RSI is flat. Considering this, above 89.2 you can definitely buy. See, till 87 levels, and in fact rather I will say till 86 levels, do not consider oil as bearish. And for this week, and in fact I have mentioned this in last week also, last week also, till 84 I will not confirm oil as bearish. Only below 84 we can expect that it is going to drop again. Till the time it trades above 84, you can expect a bounce back any point of time, and it is going to be a sharp reversal. Hence you have to take your positions accordingly. You have to trail your stop losses on the downside. So let's say if you are taking a sell entry at 88.2, you have to ensure that whenever your trade is in profit, you shift your stop loss to your entry price such that in case of a reversal, at least you preserve your capital. If you have your capital preserved, you can take 100 trades and definitely you can build your wealth accordingly. So when you know that there is a possibility of a bounce back, trade with a stop loss on the downside. On the upside, once it trades above 89.2, certainly you can expect little more bullishness. Then we can expect 89.8 and 90.02 levels, certainly going to give it a stronger resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high for 91.4, 92, and then 93.5, 94 cannot be denied. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of reading the charts, identifying the right entries and right exits, and taking a profitable trade, you can join my mentorship batch. The last batch of this financial year is going to start on 28th of November. Missing on this boat now will have to wait for the next year, and then you have to wait for few more months. As see, the beginning of the new year has to be on bang or not. I do not want you all to keep repeating the same mistakes. I want you to start the new year with enriched learning, end up as a proficient trader. So reach out to me for more details of this mentorship batch. The strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Also, you can be part of my signals group where just trading as per the signals, definitely you can benefit. So my where to connect with me, you can find my IDs once you go to the channel homepage, YouTube channel homepage. You'll find that there is an about section. If when you click on the about tab, you will find that there are details mentioned in the about tab. In that, my email ID, my Telegram ID, and my Telegram channel ID all are mentioned. Please reach out to only to these IDs. Do note down the every alphabet, else there are many scammers and imposers who have created multiple channels on my name. Beware of fraudsters and do reach out to the authentic ID only. Now let's have a look at NG on the early chart. See, NG on the early charts had given a gap up there. See, there is still a little more gap to be filled there. It is trying to shed the weight here. It is trying to trade with a drop. Yes, you can sell there at 6.2 levels. Below 6.2, you can expect that we are looking forward to 6.16 and then 6.1 levels. Below 6.1, certainly more bearishness can be seen. Certainly the support at 6.05 and 6 levels are going to be very, very strong for NG. Only sell entry is below 6.2, only buy entries above 6.3. In between 6.2 and 6.3, do not trade. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic is crossing over for a sell on the early charts. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move though. RSI looking downwards, so mixed indication on the early charts here. On the 2-hour charts, if you look at on the 2-hour charts, likewise, high lows, lower highs. So far, there is a possibility for it to bridge the gap. You can sell there at 6.2, expect 6.15, 6.1 and then 6.05, 6.0 levels to provide a maximum support. So only below 6.0 or you can expect that it is going to give you a good drop. Directional movement is moderately bullish. Stochastic rising from the bottom indicating bullishness. The MACD is trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking downwards. So till the time NG trades above 6 levels, $6 levels, so do not consider this as bearish. There is a possibility of a bounce back and it can try to rise again. See, rise, drop, again looking forward to this channel. Possibly this time it may achieve higher highs. So yes, you have to be watchful of 6.2 and 6 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD is in green with slight hint of bullishness. The RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, similar is the observation on the 4-hour charts. Though it is looking forward to give you a red candle, I'll wait for it to provide the red candle. Went till towards 6.1, 6. You can find out higher lows here. So 6.1, 6.15, 6.1 and then 6.05, 6.0 are the major supports. Till the time it trades above this, probability of it to rise exists. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic trading at bottom, now looking upwards. And the MACD not indicative of anything. RSI is also trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can find higher lows are there, and hence certainly $6 levels are going to be a very good support for NG. And this is an expanding triangle. It is trying to trade in this. Possibility exists that achieving $6 levels, it can bounce back, and this time the bounce back is going to be strong enough to take it till towards 6.8 levels. Yes, you can buy there at 6.3 and remain bullish on NG. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic at bottom, possibly looking forward to a rise. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, sell at 6.2, buy at 6.3. In between this 10 cents, do not trade. Below 6.2, you can expect 6.15, 6.1, 6.05, $6.06 levels is the certainly very strong resistance, very strong support for NG here on the downside till the time it trades above $6 levels. Do not consider it for a drop there. And yes, in fact, 5.9 to 5.95 levels till there also I will not recommend you to sell NG. Yes, if you are selling at 6.2, you have to ensure that you have put a trailing stop loss, so trade accordingly. On the upside, buy at 6.3, expect it to rise for 6.4, 6.52 and 6.6 levels. Beyond that, sky is the limit, so take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.